Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about how to try Galaxy in your iPhone. It would be iOS 15, 14, 13. It can be the latest version of iOS 16 that I have. So like if you want to upgrade to your from iPhone to the Samsung Galaxy, you can get means if you don't know how to use Galaxy, so you can try the Galaxy. It'll give you the hand instructions to how to use the Samsung Galaxy. So guys, if you like my video, subscribe and click the bell icon, there's a subscribe button, and like my video. So guys, let's go straight into this. So here, what you have to do, you have to go to your Safari browser, or you can go to your Chrome browser if you have installed. Now you have to click on this bar and type trygalaxy.com on the search bar, and then click on go. Now here you will see this type of website here. Now what you have to do, you have to click on this share icon on the bottom or middle of the middle here. Now you have to click on add to home screen. You have to just scroll down and you can see this option add to home screen. Just have to click on add to home screen. Here you will see this type of thing, so just have to click on this add on the right top corner. Now it has been added to home screen. As you can see on the bottom, try Galaxy. Just have to click on the try Galaxy. Now here you'll get the instructions just saying that try Galaxy, welcome you. Just have to click on next. Now here you will get the instruction that swipe left for some handy shortcuts. On the bottom here in the right bottom corner of the left, here you will see navigation, go home and go back. So these are the shortcuts to go outside though, because in Apple iPhone from iPhone X you can just swipe out. So here in Samsung you can't swipe out. You can swipe out, but here it will give you these options only. You just have to click on got it. Okay, so now here you will see the iPhone, means you'll see the Galaxy on your iPhone. So this is the one UI. So now I will swipe up and I'll see all the apps here. I'll click on settings. Now you can't open some options here because they will only show the option that is useful for you. Okay, so here like in the blue border, only these options you can open, like wallpaper and style, color palette, and you can change the color palette here based to your colors from your wallpaper also. And you can choose to normal. So normal will look not that nice. It is nice, but we can choose our own colors. Like I like the blue color. Purple is also nice, so I'll keep on purple and click on apply. Now here you will see, if I will go to the apps here, so everything will be in purple color. Like I'll go to call icon, so call app, so here you can see it's all purple. The call icon is also purple. I'll go to recent, so it will not. Okay, I'll go to recents, so recents will not work. It will go to contacts. Here you can see the contacts, all it is purple, the background is purple. Now I'll go back. So this is how to go back. So on gallery also you can see the photos that the Samsung will give you. And here now the useful thing, the Android messages. So you just have to click on any messages. You can just try saying hi. The computer will send you the messages. So this is the new thing that you can try Galaxy if you want to send SMS to someone. So friend with kids, so I'll just say hi. So they'll send anything, because friend with kids had taken the Samsung Galaxy and they're typing anything. So this is all the thing that is useful for you if you want to send SMS to someone. Here there is an option of Google Meet also. You can see all the options here. You can explore because I can't take the video so long. So these are all the options that you can use. So guys, if you like my video, subscribe and click the bell icon at the subscribe button and like my video. So guys, take care and bye for now.